Continuing on, coupling a small modular reactor with the household solar panels could revolutionize our energy economy and propel us forward in the race against climate change. Nuclear power in future generations. Interestingly enough, nuclear power may reverse in the complete opposite direction in the coming decades. Nuclear energy is obtained by splitting an atom and harvesting the energy emitted, but the future of nuclear power will be in the combination of two atoms. This process has yet to be fully tested, and we will likely not see the use of this method commercially for about half a century. This revolution in nuclear power comes with the same problem traditional nuclear power has, and that is cost. It will be a long time before we see this technology develop commercially, and it will be ridiculously expensive, but nothing compared to the cost of losing our natural environment. Geothermal energy. The use of geothermal energy is most optimal in the heating and cooling of buildings. Heat pumps can be used to distribute heat to different buildings, even power plants. Similar to nuclear energy, capital cost is the roadblock in harvesting geothermal energy. With advancements in technology, it is possible that the average home would have a heat pump for air conditioning instead of heating by other methods. This, however, is extremely expensive and will likely not be used for residential use until an economical solution can be made. The main goal with all alternative energy sources, however, is to protect our environment, and that's not something that we can forget. Geothermal energy also comes with its own niches. It is best at low altitude since you have to dig less deep to get to the hotter rocks. Conclusion. We are a very, very energy hungry generation that will not go away for a long time. Because of this, we must find different ways to protect our environment while still using all the energy we want to use. Innovations and technologies have made it possible for everyday people to do their part in reducing their carbon footprint, such as solar panels and wind turbines. Larger energy sources must also be developed to ensure protection of our environment and people who live there. Nuclear plants are a huge contributor to ensuring our energy needs are met. Even though capital cost is in our way of developing nuclear technologies, we as developed countries must bite the bullet and take a hit on current economic loss for future economic and environmental gain. And then here are my references.